you guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be doing like a Christmas makeup look, which is right here. This is the makeup look that I did in the video, and I really like how it turned out. Like, it is very simple, okay? It is barely an eyeshadow look. You'll see. I don't want to spoil the video, okay? Just see for yourself. It is very easy, and yeah, it looks amazing. It is perfect for Christmas. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just wore my lenses, washed my face, and now I'm here. So let's just start with skincare first. And yeah, I'm wearing something in case you were wondering. Okay, so for moisturizer, I'm gonna be using the Pond's Light Moisturizer, and this is the cream based, not the gel based. I don't know, I just don't like gel based products. But I don't know, my theory is gel based products make you oily faster. I don't know. It's just my theory. I might be completely wrong, or I might be right. I don't know. Winter's here. Like, I'm looking like a Christmas tree. Just look at the print. Okay, so I found this headband, and I thought that it really looks like influencer vibes. I don't know, like Kritika Khurana, Malvika Sitlani. Yeah, I am a wannabe, but I don't know. What am I? Leave it. And the next thing that I'm going to be using is MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in Pinklite. So just apply it on the high points of your face. The snow is falling on a car. Can you see the glow it gives? Like, it just looks Korean skin but not clear. Like, glowy but not clear. These are my pimple marks, and they are not going easily. Like, half of them are completely gone. It just disappeared almost, but not, fully. And this is like my flat skin. This is like only pimple marks that are left after pimple. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced primer. This is the Prime Plus Poreless travel size. I really like this one. This is like as good, or not even as good, it is better than the Smashbox primer. Can you imagine someone saying this? Like, Smashbox primer is like really nice, and just to say that something is better than that, it is a big deal. And I know it is a big deal, and I'm saying it because I feel like it. Like, it really is better. It is like silk, the texture when you apply it, or even when it is like touching the skin, it feels like silk, and it just blurs out everything so good. Like, I can't explain it. I can't tell you. I'm sorry. Okay, so for foundation, we are gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the Matte Plus Poreless one, and this is in the shade 220, and it is really good. It is like my new favorite. I know I really like the K-Beauty one. Okay, it wasn't my favorite, but I liked it. But this is like my favorite, so you know that it is really good. That's why it is one of my favorites. And I'm gonna take a very little amount, just because I want the base to be as light as possible for this makeup look. Yeah, in winters, I don't know if it's just me, but in winters I don't like a lot of base. I don't know if that makes sense, but like heavy base. Yeah, I got the word, heavy base. As we drive for miles to that little town called home. Okay, so for concealer, we are gonna be using the Kryolan concealer. Yeah, and this is in FS28. I really like this one. I know I've said that LA Girl is my favorite, and it is, but my second favorite is this one. Okay, so next we're gonna be going in with a concealer which is a little bit lighter for my skin tone, just to cover up the dullness. Like my dark circles, for example, they are totally covered, and you know, it looks pretty good, but there's just some dullness to it. Like I look kind of sleepy. I don't know the right word, but yeah, you can say dullness. You can see more than you can say. So, and just know that this is totally optional. Okay, I just do it because I like it. It's like a personal choice. You can skip this step if you want. So the concealer which we are going to be using next is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in light beige.
From every corner of the house and Christmas lights.
Okay, so now for blush. Okay, there's no cream blush, there's no blush palette, there's no eyeshadow, there's no lipstick. Okay, these are the things that I usually use. If you're new here, you wouldn't know that. I am gonna be using Bene-tint. I love this product. I don't know why I don't use on my channel as much, but I use this every single day. To be very honest, I use it every single day, and it is like flowy liquid, like total water application. So I love that thing about this, that it can give you very natural, you know, rosy or like a flush of pink blush, and it can give you the most dramatic kind of. So yeah, I love that thing about this product. And can you see, like, this is dripping, like this is actually water. And I do it with my fingers because it doesn't need a blender or brush or whatsoever. It just needs a little bit of tap tap tap, and that is it. Can you see, like, this is like the natural one. But okay, I am gonna do like, I'm gonna mix the I'm cold trend blush technique in this makeup look because I really like it, and it's winters and it's Christmas. So yeah.
Shine bright through the cold evening fog.
Okay, now we are gonna set the face, and for that I'm gonna be using the MAC Studio Fix Compact, and this is an NC25 and I love it. Like, I can't stress enough. All the products that I use I obviously love, that's why I use them, and I'm recommending to you very confidently because I am confident about them. Okay, now comes the reason why I put this much blush. First, it was winters. I wanted that I am cold makeup look, kind of a look. And the second is I'm gonna setting my face, right? So it's gonna take away a little product, like not the whole, but it is gonna take over, and it won't be visible as much as it is now. After setting, you're gonna see, and that's the reason I like put a lot, because I know it's gonna take away the product.
I hear sleeping.
Okay, so now for eyebrows, we're gonna be using the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is in dark brown.
Bouncing off the houses, the church choir.
Okay, so now comes the eye look. It's literally so basic. You just need two products, and it's not even eyeshadow. Okay, so first you need like a golden eyeliner. Actually, not gold. Okay, you can do golden, but me personally, I like rose gold much better than normal golden. So I'm gonna do with the rose gold eyeliner, and this is from Dubai. So I'm very sorry, but I can't like leave you the link or anything. I'll try if I find it. So what you have to do is you just have to apply the eyeliner right here in the middle corner. Not just a touch, but you need to apply it quite nicely, and then you have to drag it towards the middle corner. So that will give you that transition sort of, but in the inner corner, and it looks phenomenal. Just trust me, okay?
Seems a lot.
Okay, first let it dry and then we're gonna move further. Till the time I'm gonna do the second eye.
Feel my heart melt.
Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna need a red lipstick, a liquid lipstick, okay? I know it sounds a bit weird, but I'm gonna tell you what it is. So we're gonna need a red lipstick, but not like the bright red, but a little bit of dark red. And this is the pack Retro Matte Gloss liquid lipstick, and this is in 44 Broken Heart. It is a little bit darker, like on the maroonish side, and that's exactly what we need. So I'm just gonna put it literally right here, okay, in the tear duct of my eye. I'm actually gonna take it on brush first because I'm a little scared it is red. I don't want to mess this up. I'm just gonna take a little bit. And then just put it in the tear duct of my eye, just for that pop of red. So I'm gonna take the eyeliner and I'm gonna draw like a small line in the tear duct, but on the lower lash line, just to connect, like. And for mascara, I'm gonna be obviously using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is the limited edition one.
All I wanted was
Okay, so for lip liner, we're gonna be using a K Beauty lip liner, and this is in Hypnotic. And for lipstick, we are gonna be using the same that we use for eyeshadow, which is the pack liquid lipstick. This is in, what was it, Broken Heart, and it is like maroon.
all I wanted was.
Okay, yeah, I did it very slowly because listen, this is a liquid lipstick and this is red, like this is dark red. So I don't want to like mess it up and then regret it later, because I can't even undo it because it is red. So yeah, I am scared, to be honest. So now comes highlighter, and for that we are going to be using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralise Skinfinish highlighter. Alright, so the makeup look is all complete and I really love how it turned out, to be honest. I don't wear red usually, but when I do, I just go like really nice, like, you know, to the extremes. Makeup look all complete. Just to be close, this is it. Oh my god, I don't know, today I just feel very beautiful, like from the inside also. I just feel very beautiful, and that is good. I don't usually feel that way. I'm very underconfident person. I just show that I'm very confident because you gotta pretend like there's no way you're gonna survive in this world with such a low confidence as me. But I'm like really insecure and really underconfident person, and I don't know, today it was just a good day and I was in a good mood. I know this is not very relevant to my channel or to the video or anything, but I just wanted to share that it was something different today. I don't know what. I was at home all day. I just went to the gym, but it was just different and in a very good way. I can't really explain it well, but I enjoyed today a lot, and doing this makeup look where I look so good. I know I'm like praising myself. I'm sorry. I don't mean to seem, that girl, but I really like how it looks, and I think I look beautiful. I feel beautiful from inside, and that's what contributes to, looking beautiful as well. So yeah, this was all I have for you today. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment on what you would wish to see from me next. Also hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye. Also, Merry Christmas. I forgot. I'm sorry. Merry Christmas. Okay, take care. Bye.